Sandra. I am 6 years old. Today we'll be using the Breville Smart Oven Air. There are a lot of different functions. There is toast, broil, bake, air fry, and yeah, there's many more. And today I'll be using air fry for the French fries. We need potatoes, like a raw potato, not like baked ones. You also need ice. You have to cut the potato into pieces into like how you want it to be. You can also peel the skin if you want, but you don't have to. It's your choice. So first you have potatoes. Then you chop them. Then you put it in a bowl, and then you have the ice. So that's why you put the ice in here, and then we let it cool with the ice for 15 minutes. After it's done cooling, you have to take out the French fries and put it in this pan, and we'll take out the ice too. And then we can use twangs if you want to put, and they have to be in a layer. They can't be like stick together because they all need some air. Make sure you don't drop your fries on the ground. Okay, so now I'm done putting all the French fries, well, potatoes still, in the pan. You also have to make this 400 Fahrenheit and make this, it turns out 18 minutes, but you don't want to like have the frozen thing, so that's like 25 minutes. So then you can put salt or pepper if you want, but like it's tastier with salt. Okay, so the next step is to put this in, and see that here it says we want the air fry dehydrate, so we put it like at the third place. So it's not like fried or anything, but that. it, you can then just use both of your hands to slide it in. Then you close this. It's at 3. So then we can hit, if you have this ready, and you can use this to change it to how, like, air fry, pizza, you know, like the functions. And then we press start. If you want to stop it, you can press it again. So I'm going to start. And then it's going to, like, it's going to be air frying. It's like the air is going to be, like, going under the fries to make it, like, crispy and stuff. After 25 minutes, it'll be, like, more crispier and delicious, and you can enjoy it. Hi, the French fries is done from the Breville oven. Now, make sure that for kids, wear your mittens for adults too, so you don't burn your hands from the hot surface. Okay, so I'm now gonna open the oven. Move it slowly down. Now, I'll use my tongs. If you don't want to, that's okay. But I want to use it. So I will take this out carefully. And then I already had some French fries right here. So it looks really good. Yeah. So now I'm gonna eat one. Oh wait. I will also show you the one that I'm going to eat. It looks really crispy. Look at it. It's really nice and good. It's like it's already cooked. So now I'm going to eat it. I hope it's good. It tastes really good. And crispy. Oh. I hope you liked the video of me making the French fries with this awesome Breville oven. I hope that like the French fries that you make, you can make some other stuff with it. And yeah, I hope you like the French fries. I think I love it a lot because I love French fries. Okay. Bye!